it's Thursday, October 4th. We are leaving Korea right now. We just got through customs and security, and we are waiting for the rest of our group before we head on over to the boarding gate. Yeah, they're taking a while. This is Incheon International Airport in Incheon, Korea, South Korea, basically part of Seoul. Well, not really, but I guess you could say. There they are. There's Joa. Gate 102 is this way. How do you guys feel about leaving Korea?
Happy.
Really?
One day too long.
No sadness?
No, happy.
I'm gonna come back.
I'm coming
Solo.
back too.
We stay one day too long.
No, I think this is perfect. 3 days, we wouldn't have enough time to do anything. Oh, where's our other? Oh,
I still have 15,000
dang.
won.
I had 50, you know, I had exactly 15 also. Don't tip. I told driver. No? Okay, we're now heading to our gate 102. So we just went inside the
What do I? We can say they take me to the side. Huh? We got you something. A surprise. It's a surprise, remember?
Beautiful Japanese countryside. We are on the Narita Express train heading from Narita International Airport to our hotel, which is located in Shibuya. Look at this beautiful Japanese countryside.
My passport, right?
Very nice, clean train.
Happy anniversary to Loheta, Cynthia. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary to these two guys. Happy anniversary. 30 years. 23 years. Can you take video? Never say no. Can you take video? Can you take video? This video. This video. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. 23 years. 23 years. Thank you. Too long. 23 years too long. I'm only 24.
Okay, it's going.
It's Wagyu beef.
Say hi, Masa. Joa, Lee, say.
Hold on, me, my lady.
No, this is video.
Oh shit.
There is Shibuya Scramble right here in the daytime. Not nearly as chaotic as it is at night. The guys. We're walking to Daiso to get some souvenirs for the kids.
Last time, beginning of the
Takashita Street, Harajuku, Tokyo. Busiest intersection in the world. They didn't call it a Shibuya Scramble for nothing.
I'm trying to wake up right now. One, two, three.